Question number 5. 1 minus 1 3 2 1 0 3 3 1. First you have to do 3R3, then you have to apply C3 plus 2C2. So we'll see this solution. Given matrix 1 minus 1 3 2 1 0 3 3 1. This is our given matrix. So what you have to do, first you have to applying 3R3. That means row 3 will change as 3 times of row 3. So matrix A, row 1 will be as it is 1 minus 1 3. Row 2 will also will be as it is 2 1 0, and we will change row 3 as 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. Row 3 multiply by 3. Now we will proceed further operation. What we have to do? C3 plus 2C2. C3 plus 2C2. Now here sometimes students get confused that which we have to change, C3 or C2. So see here, when we had studied the elementary transformation, I had told you Ci interchanges with Ci plus k times of Cj. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, जिस कॉलम को चेंज करना है उसका स्केलर क्या रहता है 1, और दूसरे वाले कॉलम का स्केलर कुछ भी हो सकता है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट, जो कॉलम हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं उस कॉलम का स्केलर मल्टीपल 1 रहेगा और दूसरे कॉलम का स्केलर मल्टीपल कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पे वी हैव टू चेंज C3 चेंजेस टू C3 प्लस 2C2. जिसको चेंज करना होता है उसका स्केलर 1 होता है और दूसरे वाले कॉलम का स्केलर कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. So here it is given C3 plus 2C2. That means we have to change what? C3 will change as C3 plus 2C2. So applying this, column 1 will be as it is, column 2 will be also as it is. Now we have to change column 3. Column 1 will be as it is, column 2 will be as it is, and we have to change column 3. So how we will change column 3? The element of column 3 is 3 plus column 3 plus 2 times of corresponding element of column 2. column 3 का एलिमेंट प्लस 2 times of column 2 का एलिमेंट. तो 3 और ये 3 minus 2 आंसर आएगा 1. नेक्स्ट, एलिमेंट ऑफ कॉलम 3 0 प्लस 2 times of corresponding element of column 2. ये आएगा 2. एलिमेंट ऑफ कॉलम 3 प्लस 2 times of element of column 2. 2 9s are. So 3 plus 18, 19, 21. I hope you understand how we'll do this. Column 3 plus 2 times of column 2. Column 3 plus 2 times of column 2. Column 3 plus 2 times of column 2. So this is, we had completed question number 5. Now next, question number 6. A is equals to 1 2 3 minus 1 1 3 3 0 1. Same question is there, but we have to do first C3 plus 2C2 and then we have to do 3R3. That means question number 5 and question number 6 are same, but here first we will do 3R3 then C3 plus 2C2, and here first you have to do C3 plus 2C2 then you will do 3R3. So we'll see this also. Solution. Given matrix A, this is our given matrix. So applying C3 changes to C3 plus 2C2. First you have to do C3 plus 2C2. So column 1 will be as it is 1 2 3 minus 1 1 3, and we will change column 3. Now see how we will change column 3. See here. Now element of column 3 is 3. 3. See. 3 plus 2 times of column 2. 2 times of -1. 3 plus 2 times of -1. So 3 minus 2, 1. 0 plus 2 times of 1. 0 plus 2 times of 1. It will be 2. 1 plus 2 times of 3. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Understood? Now I hope you will understand this. 3 plus 2 times of -1. C3 plus 2 times of C2. So 3 plus 2 times of -1 is 1. 0 plus 2 times of 1 is 2. 1 plus 3 times of 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Now we will proceed further. Next. So next what we have to do? Again 3R3 on proceeding. So applying 3R3. So 3R3, that means we will change R3, है ना? R3 changes to 3R3. Now see how it works. Matrix A will change. R1 will be as it is, 1 minus 1, 1. R2 will be also as it is, 2, 1, 2. We will change R3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. R3 will be changes as 3 times of R3. Okay. So this is our solution. Now in question number 6, one more line is there. What do you conclude from question? What do you conclude? From question 5 and question 6. So as you can see, question number 5. In question number 5, what we had done? 3R3, then C3 plus 2C2, and we get this result. And in question number 6, what we had done? C3 plus 2C2 first and then 3R3, and we get this result. So if you can see, both are same. So what do you conclude by question number 5 and question number 6? So we have concluded that (3R3) and C3 plus 2C2, that given operations, we have concluded that given operations, that is these operations are commutative. Now what is commutative? I hope सबको पता रहेगा what is commutative. Commutative is nothing but if I say A plus B is same as B plus A, then it is commutative. If I say A into B is same as B into A, then it is commutative. So here also, if I do 3R3 first and C3 plus 2C2 next, and if I do C3 plus 2C2 first and then 3R3, both results will be same. That means the given operations are commutative. That means what? If I do 3R3 first and then C3 plus 2C2, or if I do C3 plus 2C2 and then 3R3 in the same matrix, then we will get the same results. That means the given operations जो है, अपने जो operations यहाँ given है, ये क्या है? Commutative है. Commutative means इसको पहले करो या इसको पहले करो, दोनों का आंसर, final answer same आएगा. So this was our question number 5 and question number 6. Now see the question number 7. Using suitable transformation on, ये मैट्रिक्स है, इस पे हमको कोई भी सूटेबल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. अब सबको पता होगा व्हाट इज अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. सो व्हाट इज अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स? अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स मतलब बिलो द डायगोनल के एलिमेंट्स क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए. देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज upper triangular matrix. So what we have to do, we have to convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix by using suitable transformation, either row transformation or column transformation, which you have which you have comfortable you can use. Now see this, what is upper triangular matrix? Upper triangular matrix means what? All the elements below the diagonal should be 0. This is upper triangular. And what is lower triangular matrix? All the elements above the diagonal will be 0. That means what? What is upper triangular matrix? कि ऊपर नंबर्स आना चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा नंबर का ट्राइंगल बनना चाहिए और डायगनल के नीचे के नंबर 0. दिस इज अपर ट्राइंगुलर. एंड व्हाट इज लोअर ट्राइंगुलर? डायगनल के नीचे नंबर्स का ट्राइंगल बनना चाहिए और ऊपर के एलिमेंट्स सब क्या होना चाहिए? 0. So we have to convert this in upper triangular matrix. That means this is our diagonal. अपर ट्राइंगुलर दैट मीन्स ऊपर बनना चाहिए नंबर का ट्राइंगल और डायगनल का नीचे का नंबर क्या होना चाहिए? 0. अपर ट्राइंगुलर मतलब ये डायगनल है, डायगनल के ऊपर कोई भी नंबर्स रहना चाहिए लेकिन डायगनल के नीचे का नंबर 0. लोअर ट्राइंगुलर दैट मीन्स दिस इज डायगनल और डायगनल के नीचे के कोई भी नंबर हो सकते हैं बट उसके ऊपर का नंबर 0. सो हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन दिस इज अवर डायगनल और डायगनल के इधर कोई भी नंबर चलेगा बट बिलो द डायगनल वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस इंटू 0. दैट मीन्स वॉट कि इसको अगर मुझे अपर ट्राइंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बनाना है तो वी हैव टू डू ओनली वन थिंग, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस 3 इंटू 0. नाउ विल सी हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट. सोल्यूशन, लेट ये मैट्रिक्स का नाम है A. 1 2 3 4. Only you have to do is make this 3 as 0. This will become upper triangular matrix. So how we will convert this into 0? You can use any transformation, either row transformation or column transformation. I am writing this, applying R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times of R1. Now see, we have to convert this 3 into 0. So if you do 3 minus 3 ones are 3, then definitely it will become 0. That means we have to change R2. R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times of R1. You can also use column transformation also, which you are comfortable. So we are changing R2, so R1 will be as it is, 1 2, R1 will be as it is. Now see, R2, now what is element of R2? 3 minus 3 times of R1, 3 times of 1, 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 3 times of 2, 4 minus 6, minus 2. So this is our upper triangular matrix, which is upper triangular matrix. Okay, so गिवन मैट्रिक्स था, उसको हमको अपर ट्राइंगुलर में करना था. तो अपर ट्राइंगुलर दैट मीन्स बिलो द डायगनल एलिमेंट शुड बी 0. तो वी हैव टू चूज वन सूटेबल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, आइदर रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, सच दैट दिस 3 विल बिकम 0. सो द मोस्ट ईजिएस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विल बी 3 माइनस 3 1 जा 3. सो R2 minus 3 times of R1, by this operation it will become 0. So this is upper triangular matrix. Now last question of this exercise, question number 8. Convert 1 minus 1 2 3 into identity matrix by suitable रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. इसको हम लोग को आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट करना है बाय सूटेबल रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. सो फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन, लेट मैट्रिक्स ए, इसका नाम दे देते हैं हम लोग 1 minus 1 2 3. अगेन 2 cross 2 मैट्रिक्स, वेरी इजी. नाउ व्हाट इज आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स? यू ऑल माइट हैव नोन व्हाट इज आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. 1 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. I hope you had remember. Diagonal elements should be 1 and rest all 0. Identity matrix of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 का कैसा रहता है? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. diagonal element should be 1 and rest all 0. This is 3 cross 3 identity matrix. So we have to convert this matrix into identity matrix. That means 1 0 0 1. It is 1. You have to change with this 0 and this 1 and this 0. So we'll start this. So this is already 1, so no need to touch with this. We will convert this 2 into 0. So what you have to do, R2 को चेंज करना पड़ेगा, R2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ R1. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी, प्रीवियस सम में इफ यू सी ऐसे ही था ना, 3 माइनस 3 टाइम्स ऑफ 1. हियर ऑल्सो 2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 1. सो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो दिस इज ऑलरेडी 1 एंड दिस यू हैव टू मेक 0. 2 माइनस 2 1s are 2. So R2 will change, R1 will be as it is. So this is what R2 is, what 2 minus 2 times of 1, so this will be 0. Next 3 minus 2 times of minus 1. रो 2 का एलिमेंट इज 3 माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग रो 1 का एलिमेंट, तो दिस विल बी 5. 3 + 2 5. सो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स बनाना है, तो 1 0 ये बन चुका है. नेक्स्ट हमको इसको 1 बनाना है, तो ये 5 है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, अप्लाइंग R2 चेंजेस टू 1/5 टाइम्स ऑफ R2. रो 2 को हम 5 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, सो A विल चेंज. रो 2 दैट मीन्स रो 1 विल बी एज इट इज. 0 divided by 5 is 0 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now next what we have to do, convert this element into 0. ये -1 को 0 बनाना है. कैसे बनाएंगे, अप्लाइंग R1 changes to R1 plus R2. क्लियरली -1 + 1 ऐड होके 0 हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू चेंज R1 एज R1 plus R2. So R2 will be as it is. Now see, 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. That means we had convert this matrix A into identity matrix, that is 2 cross. I2 means what? 2 cross 2 identity matrix, which is identity matrix. So now see here, if you want to do row transformation, so how you can know that we have to follow this step, that is first convert this into 1, then convert this into 0, then convert this into 1 and convert this into 0. Now see, one hint is there. If you want to do row transformation and make the element to the identity matrix, so 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So you have to go like this. First make this element 1 and the rest all 0, then make this element 1, then rest all 0, then make this element 1 and then rest all 0. You have to follow these steps like in 2 cross 2 matrix, 1 0 0 1. So first what you have to do, make this as 1, make this element 1 and then this element to 0. Now move in next row, make this element 1 and this element 0. So we had followed this step here also. First we have make this 1 and this to 0, then we make this to 1 and last this to 0. You have to follow these steps by in converting the matrix into identity matrix by row transformation. Which steps you have to follow? Make this 1 and the rest element into 0, then make this 1 and rest element into the 0, then make this 1 and rest element into the 0. Similarly in 2 cross 2 matrix, make 1 then 0 1 then 0. So we had followed here also. It is already 1, so no need to touch. We make this 0, then we make this 1 and last step we make is 0. So this is your exercise 2.1 we had completed. Okay, so now there will be assignment to you of this exercise. based on the same question. So I will give you the assignment later. So by this we complete our lecture. Now we will see the next topic and next exercise in the next lecture.